Next, we'll talk about collections. Same way you deal with automating some of that follow-up, whether that's text, email, or a phone call. Our system does all that. So you can automate workflows and marketing drip campaigns through our system and be sure that the people that you want reached out to are reached out to. So, and it's based off of the omni-channel approach where, it doesn't matter if they, like texting versus emailing versus phone call. With our system, that's all covered. And getting them right to their payment option as quick as possible is key too. So if you send them that automated text with a pay link, when they click that link, are they being taken to a website where they have to log in? Is their account being pulled up right in front of them? We believe in removing as many barriers for that customer to make their payment. So when they click the link within our system, it takes them right to that pay by phone or that text where they can click that link and open up their account right from able to make their payment and even sign up for auto pay if they wanted to through the system.